This is a Ford Model T, built in 1918. A true piece of automotive history that I recently purchased from a friend. It was the first automobile ever produced on a moving assembly line, changing the world forever. Powered by a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine, it could once reach a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour, an incredible achievement for its time. Today, I'm going to restore this century-old car. When I inspected the engine, I discovered that the water pump was completely seized. For a car that's over 100 years old, finding replacement parts is extremely difficult. So I have no choice but to remove the water pump and see if it can be repaired. After cleaning the water pump, it finally started to move freely again. Next, we installed the water pump back into the engine. At the same time, the leaking radiator also needed to be repaired. The next step was to change the engine oil and remove the carburetor for maintenance. This is what a carburetor looked like 100 years ago. After cleaning it thoroughly, we reinstalled it and attempted to start the engine. And we successfully brought the engine back to life. Next, we needed to adjust the brakes. On this car, the brakes are not located at the wheels, but inside the transmission. This screw right here controls the tightness of the brake adjustment. Then, we restored the lighting system. Cars from a century ago used kerosene lamps. We filled the lamps with kerosene, lit them, and tested the headlights, interior lights, and brake lights. Everything worked perfectly. After that, we disassembled the entire vehicle for a full restoration. Now the car is completely taken apart. We cleaned off years of dirt and grime. And the original logo became visible once again. Next, we repaired the body panels and applied fresh paint. With all the painted parts ready, we began reassembling the car. Many people ask me why I would restore a 100-year-old vehicle that can't even be legally driven on the road. Maybe it's just passion. It's not that I love old cars, but the cars I love have simply become old. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.